Hi, as I have promised last week, today I am going to show you how to make a so-called yonjuuhimo. A yonjuuhimo is a tie with 4 layers of elastic in the middle, and this is used for plenty of obi arrangements, and it's definitely a must-have item for every kimono enthusiast. You can also make this in, I guess, less than 10 minutes, even if you're not used to using the sewing machine. For making this, you of course need an elastic. I got this at a normal sewing supply store. I bought 19 centimeter and width is 2 centimeters. And you will need a normal cotton strap. You will have to sew onto the elastics, but when I make something by myself, I always want to make something cute and special and something you can buy. So I got myself, instead of a strap, I got this nice cotton lace. I made sure that when I pull it, it doesn't stretch too much, so it will keep its shape even if I tie it tightly. And I bought 1 meter of this, and width again is 2 centimeter. And that's all what we have to purchase, and now let's get started. Cut the elastic and the strap in half so you have 2 straps and 2 elastics. Mark 2 centimeter from the left end. Fold the elastic in half and secure both ends on the left side with a pin. Do also mark 2 centimeters from the new doubled right side. Lay 1/2 of the strap on the mark of the left side and pin all 3 layers together. Do the same on the other side. Fold the other elastics in half and lay it on those 3 layers. Make sure that the ends of all elastics meet nicely. It helps when you first secure all 5 layers with new pins. And then repin the earlier ones, so they also will hold all 5 layers together. And now we can go off to the sewing machine. When it's the first time for you to sew such a massive amount of fabric, make sure that you use a needle for thick fabrics. In Japan, it's a needle with the number 16. I hope this helps you. And make sure that you sew as slowly as you can. When you sew such a lot of fabric, it can be that your machine strikes and the needle breaks and whatever. So make sure to be slowly and very carefully. Start with sewing a rectangle. I actually always try to aim for a square, but I'm no genius at sewing, so rectangle is fine for me. And I recommend to sew every line twice or even 3 times. In the end, I always set a diagonal seam between the last corner and the corner on the other side through the middle. When you're done with the first rectangle, check all the seams on front and back, and if they're nice, you can also proceed with doing the same on the other side. And now your yonjuuhimo is complete. When you make items like this by yourself, the good thing is that you have control over what color you will make it of. Because however hard you will try, sometimes it will be very hard to hide or cover the yonjuuhimo completely. And if you have a lot of black obi and your yonjuuhimo is white, yes, you will definitely will see that. So I made a black yonjuuhimo. And this is a special design I have talked in my last video. It is a yonjuuhimo that can also function as a obiage. I have made 2 of these prototypes and I am still looking for someone who wants my other prototype with the absolutely same design, which I am actually trying to present someone as a little giveaway for 500 subscribers on my channel. If you're interested in this, leave a comment below on this video or on my other video. When you have tried this yonjuuhimo, make sure to take a picture and tag me on Instagram or Twitter, or well, as you can find me, because I would really love to see your designs and what kind of ideas you have come up with that yonjuuhimo. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like this video and you want to feel if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this video and you want to see more contents like this, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I talk to you in my next video. Bye!